Here are some honeycomb ornaments that are easy to make and are great Christmas crafts for all the family. Here's how I make mine, step by step. Fabulous Christmas decoration ideas, and these balls are recycled too. I have a piece of recycled card that I'm going to make a template out of, and a circular item like this cup, which is 10 centimeters or 4 inches wide. I draw around this to get my basic shape, but you can make yours absolutely any size you wish, and I will show you different sizes later. I fold the disc in half and then neatly in half again. With the fold in this orientation, I take my pencil and make a short line just a few millimeters from the end and add a little curve in like you see here. Yours doesn't have to be exactly like mine either. You just want to create a nice overall shape like this. I have some recycled wallpaper samples and these are great for this project. And what works really well with the wallpaper is they are neutral on the other side. But you can use any recycled paper, card or anything of your choice for this with varying results. So let's make some. I've cut a long strip of paper just a little bit wider than my template. This wallpaper isn't Christmassy, but we will make it Christmassy. I fold the paper in half lengthways and place the fold of the template on the fold of the paper. Take a pencil and we want to draw around these all the way up the length of the paper. Really easy and simple. Then taking the scissors, we just need to cut these shapes out. Pinch the two sides together, carefully cutting around so that both sides of the shape come out exactly the same. This is a great activity to do with friends or to watch a lovely Christmas movie while creating these. So find or recycle some pretty paper and have a go. If you're new to my channel, a big welcome. I'm Sarah and I love all kinds of different crafts and I show you lots of different ones on this channel. I've cut all of these out now. It only took me about 10 or 15 minutes and altogether I have 18 of these. Now it comes to gluing them together, and to make this easier as well, I find it easy to make a little template of where we're going to glue. So I draw myself this little template guide, and as long as you glue them all in the same way, we do 2 different sets. As long as each set is glued in the same way, they will produce a really beautiful ornament. To glue these, I use a clear craft glue, but you can use a PVA glue or a glue stick, whatever works for you, and I find it easiest to use a paintbrush to apply this. Just make sure you wash the paintbrush out very well at the end. So I have my pattern on the inside of the fold. I'm adding glue through the hashed section at the top and the bottom, as you can see I've marked there, and I do this on all 18, being as neat and tidy with the glue as I can. As you can see, they do need some encouragement to stay glued, so add some clips, or as I do here, I just put them under a little bowl. That bowl is enough weight to hold them together while the glue dries. And this, to be honest, is as complicated as it gets, so if you follow these instructions, you'll hopefully come out with something beautiful. So if you fold them like I did with the pattern on the inside, you get the one in my right hand where there's more colour, but you can also fold them this way round for a different effect. And glue as we did before. I have all 18 here. I've let the glue dry. Before the next step, just make sure they're not stuck to each other. Then using the template again, I add some glue down this central line, adding another one on top, and this is what glues them all together. Keeping them nice and neat and together, not adding too much glue so the glue's not all seeping out. All 18 pieces are together, and this time to hold them together I'm using some little clips. And then I like to add a little bit of the same glue down the spine. It's like gluing a tiny book together. Making sure I add glue on every little bit and every little page. I set it aside to dry and go on to make some more. This food tub lid is a little smaller, so I use this to create a smaller template for some smaller Christmas balls. The glue on this one is now dry. You want to take some ribbon or some twine. I like to tie a knot in the end, add a bead, and then you can actually glue this along the spine if you wish. I do often glue these on, but I haven't on this occasion. Then take both sides and pull them round together to create your really neat, beautiful ball. And then to hold them together, I don't like to glue them. I take a paper clip and paper clip these in place. You can glue them if you prefer. With my fingers, I just adjust them slightly and make it lovely and neat and symmetrical. And there, with a few simple steps, we're able to create these gorgeous honeycomb ornaments. I absolutely love making these, and I really hope you are going to make some too. When Christmas is over and I want to store them, I take that paper clip off and you can pack them away like this, and this protects them for next year. When using a real variety of wallpaper, I love the fact that each one would look completely unique. You could make them much bigger than this as well, although I do more than 18 pieces if you're going to go any larger. So when you need to take them down, stack them together, and they pack away beautifully in a nice small space. Definitely my kind of decoration. If you've enjoyed this, please do comment below. All from some recycled wallpaper. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next creative video. Santa Claus is coming to town.